So as you walk inside, this is the living area, which is very spacious, which is very spacious. So the master bedroom is very spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at Jain Ashraya by the builders Jain Housing, which is located in Bannerghatta Main Road. We will get to know a lot about the project, but before that, let's understand what is Housing. Housing is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform where you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of calls. Housing is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housing. So let's talk about the project overview. The one tower and the available stories are 2 basement, 1 ground and 19 floors. And the available variants are 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 1 penthouse. Let's talk about the connectivity. This project is on the Bannerghatta Main Road and it's just 2 minutes away from the Nice Road, Peripheral Ring Road, and 10 minutes away from the Meenakshi Mall. Let's talk about the amenities. It has many amenities such as a clubhouse, a party hall, swimming pool, kids play area, kids swimming pool, and it has multi-purpose sport area, and it has hello everyone, right now we are in front of the 3 BHK sample flat tour called Jain Ashraya by the Jain Housing. So this is a 1375 square feet built up area and east facing. So let's get inside and look at the house. So as you walk inside, this is the living area, which is very spacious. You can decorate it the way you want. You can just put your sofa and the television unit wherever you want. And as you walk this side, so again we have a small spacious area called the dining area. It could be used as a dining area or just a living area. And this is the kitchen, which is very spacious. And also there is a utility area over here with a good ventilation. So you can see there's a window for ventilation, as well as over here there's a small ventilation area actually. So you can use this as a utility area or a washing area. So this is the spacious kitchen in this 3 BHK flat. And now it's time to look at the common bathroom in this flat. So this is the common bathroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipment, and there's a window for ventilation. You can see good ventilation is given. And now it's time to look at the first bedroom in this flat. So this is the first bedroom, very spacious with big windows for ventilation. Now let's look at the balcony in this 3 BHK flat. So this is the balcony in the 3 BHK flat with French sliding door, which is very spacious. And look at the view, it's really amazing. So you can spend your leisure time here sipping a coffee or tea. So come, let's check the second bedroom in this 3 BHK flat. So this is the second bedroom, which is again very spacious. And there's a big window for ventilation. Let's look at the attached bathroom. So this is the attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipments, and there's a huge window for ventilation. You can see how the air is blowing. So very good ventilation is given for all the bedrooms as well as for the bathroom. Now it's time to look at the master bedroom in this 3 BHK flat. But before we look at the master bedroom, let's understand what Housing does for us. So at Housing, we give you actual flat tour, actual location tour, the pros and cons, why you should invest in this project. We give you the pricing details such as EMI and the down payment, and most importantly, we give you 360-degree virtual project tour. So let's look at the master bedroom. So the master bedroom is very spacious with a very huge window for ventilation, and also there's a corner space here where you can put your wardrobe, or it could be your dressing area. And this is the bathroom in the master bedroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipments and window for ventilation. So yes, this was all about the 3 BHK flat called Jain Ashraya by the builders Jain Housing. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions about the project or any feedback about this project, you can mention it in the comment section below. And before you go, do not forget to like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Housing to know about more such amazing videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.
So everyone, this was the sample flat tour of the residential project Jain Ashraya, located in Bannerghatta Road by Jain Housing.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housing.